Large intestine 6 is located in the thumb side of your forearm. To locate large intestine 6, locate the point of your wrist that is in line with your thumb. Here's the wrist, here's the thumb, right over here. Now find the point that is the width of 4 fingers above that. Right here. Push in to find a point that is sensitive, sore, tender, or painful. That is large intestine 6. Activate this point by rubbing the ear quickly 5 times. Take a break for a count of 5 and repeat 4 more times. It might look like this. Or if you have an acupressure instrument called a Tei Shin, it might look like this. And here's another view. Now find and activate large intestine 6 on your other arm.